Good evening, guys. Welcome you all to another cooking video. So in today's video, what you can see there is the empty saucepan, and the milk. That milk is for my baby. And what we're having today is potatoes. This is Irish potatoes. It's very clean, and the tomatoes is there and the onions is there. Just simple as that. So we are having fried rice with the potatoes. This is rice. Yeah, rice with the potatoes. So without wasting time, let's get right to it. Let's get right to the video as I on my gas. Yeah, our gas is on. Let's get right to the video without wasting time. By the way, how have you been, my fellow Kenyans? Happy Jamhuri Day to you all. Yes, I hope you celebrated very well. I hope you had a good day. Hope you enjoyed. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed your day well. You celebrated well and you are safe up to this moment. Yes, Happy Jamhuri Day to all the Kenyans. And to my fellow outsiders, Jamhuri Day means Independence Day here in Kenya. Every 12th of December, I think, yeah, December is celebrated every 12 as the national celebration for Kenyans. Is a day when Kenya got its own independence here, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I'm not a Kenyan, but that was in the history. Yeah, so it is an Independence Day. It's a national day here in Kenya today. Yeah, people are still celebrating. Some people are now out for dinner. Some people are now home making home dinner for their families. Yeah, so I wish you all the best. Happy Jamhuri Day. Happy Independence Day to you all, my fellow brothers and sisters. I hope you enjoy your day well. Yeah, so I put my waru there. Yeah, to get ready together with the onions. That is how I normally put my waru, my potatoes. I cook it like that to get ready with the onions together. Meanwhile, if you're new to my channel and you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, kindly go ahead and subscribe. Yes, subscribe, guys. Subscribe, share, like, and comment. Yes, and if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. Always remember to watch the videos till the end. Yes, that will make sense to me. Yes, but thank you so much. Also tell a friend to subscribe to the channel. Remember, in this video, this channel of mine, the only videos that I post are simple cooking videos. Just simple and easy cooking videos for everybody. So that is what I normally make in this video. Just normal cooking videos that everyone can be able to do. Yes, even from the scratch you can do it. Yes. Actually, I'm from visiting home people, and I am really tired, but guess what? I have to cook. I'm the one to cook. Yes, I am the one to cook. So if I don't cook, who will cook? Nobody. of this. Meanwhile, how are you guys preparing for your Christmas? Yeah. How are you preparing for your Christmas? Are you going to the village? Are you going to stay back in Nairobi? Or you're going to go for village gathering to meet the family members there? You know, some people like actually going to the village. And even me myself, I prefer that. You go there, meet with all the relatives on that day for Christmas, and yeah, just once a year. It is just one day in a year. You get together and meet all, or even maybe some people even like planning like this. Like this year, we go to uncle, we eat Christmas there. Next year to sister, next year to auntie, next year to mom, next year to grandma. Yeah, so many people do that. But me, I see it as a good thing. I don't see it as a bad thing. It's just very good. So our onions is ready. I go ahead and put my tomatoes. I love simple cooking. Me myself, I love something very easy and very tasty. This is fried rice and Irish potato. I love it. It will come out very nice and very tasty. Sometimes I like mixing it with is it arrowroot or yam? The ndomar. I love mixing it with the ndomar. So after that, I go ahead and put my Royco cube. Yeah. Go ahead and put my Royco cube there, because this gives it nice taste. Just like that. Then I cover my saucepan. Leave the tomatoes to cook with the waru. Meanwhile, as I put the rice here so that I can wash it nicely. So nini hiyo? Sasa nikuje nikutolee. So that is my rice. Yeah, it's very clean, no dirt in it. I measure this cup here. These are a cup for the thermos, the flask, the top cup. It's enough for us. Yep. Yeah. I love to cook supper, the little food that will get finished. I don't like cooking a lot of food, then the next day you find that you need fresh food. You find that you need to cook fresh food, and yesterday's food is still waiting for you. I really don't like that. Okay, we have put the soup. Actually, I've measured these 2 cups, 2 of them, 2 cups of this. Yeah, here in the saucepan. I'm sorry if you can hear the noise. My boy is washing the cartoons as usual. Well, if I can tell you, babies love cartoon. And then secondly, if you want to do your work without being distracted, for moms, I prefer you put the cartoons. Put the cartoons and the baby will not distract you even a single drop. You won't see any disturbance at all. babies love cartoon a lot. Even now, if I want to go to the market outside there, I can go, and I leave him alone in the house. As long as the cartoon is there for him. Let's add some salt there so that it can be tastier. By the way, our rice is here, washed, very clean. So me, by the way, if you're not used to me, I like tasting any food. Me, I'm an African woman. So after that, I go ahead and put the whatever, the rice. Me, I'm an African woman. Yeah, I love to taste anything that I cook. I can't cook any food without tasting. I can't cook any food without tasting the salt, the taste of it, if it is nice or it's not nice. That I love to taste. So like that. Then I'm not going to cover the saucepan because it's going to pour the water out. So let it just cook like that slowly. Yeah, so that is how it is. So let's turn our rice. This is how it is. Yeah. So it's just remaining. Let's give it few minutes. It will be ready. So our rice is okay, cooked now. You can see that it's now cooked. Let's off the gas. Shika. Gayo. So this is our potato fried rice. Yes, this is our potato fried rice. This is how it looks like. See that? I love it wet like that because it's gonna be eaten like that without anything, but you can have it with the cabbages or greens, and also the avocado if you have. But if you don't have, you can also have it like that. So that is how it looks. That is how to come. So that is all for today's video. Kindly subscribe, share, like, and comment. See you on the next video. Peace out.